Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Samsung Galaxy S9 here, and I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card as well as the SIM card. Simply go ahead and grab your ejection tool here that should have came with your phone. If you don't have this, you can go ahead and use the back of a stud earring or a thin paper clip as well. Now go ahead and look on the top of the phone here. You can see that little hole right there. We're going to go ahead and press this in, and the tray slot is going to eject just like that. So now we want to go ahead and pull this out, just like that. And we have two slots here, one for the SD card and one for the SIM card. So for the SD card, go ahead and simply place it on just like this. And the thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that it snaps in place, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and line this up. I just heard it snap, and you want to make sure it's not going to be able to fall out now, okay? So it's nice and secure. And next is my SIM card. You can go ahead and see that little diagonal edge right there. So we want to place that exactly the way it looks on the tray here. So let me go ahead and pop that right there. Go ahead and press down till it's nice and secure. Just like that. You can see both of the cards are in there. They're not going to fall out. Go ahead and slide this in. Just like that. Alright, so it took about 1 minute to find my SIM card. You can see the 4G there. So my SIM card is up. And if you want to look at your SD card, what you can do is go ahead and swipe up here, go into your settings, and then go down here where it says device maintenance. Tap on that, and then you see storage down here. Tap on that, and then you should see where it says SD card down here. So then you know that your SD card is properly installed. So that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.